I was recently asked by a client of mine to build him a website for his landscaping company. I used Wix and was impressed with how easy it was to create a pro-looking website in just one day. In the past, building websites using methods like HTML, CSS, and WordPress would take me weeks to get it accomplished. I didn't have a preference for the solution this time around. I just wanted a pro-looking site with the tabs that included an About Us, Services, Gallery, and a contact form. I also wanted to finish this project as fast as possible because I'm incredibly busy. I considered SquareSpace templates, but found nothing suitable, and I turned to Wix and found some good matches. The pricing was also reasonable and was similar to other platforms that offer the same services. Now, let me show you how it all went down. One of the main reasons I was drawn into Wix is the beautiful looking designs that they offer. When searching for landscaping under their templates, I was able to see many options and 3 to 4 templates that looked good and met the criteria that I was looking for. This was the biggest factor for choosing Wix over Squarespace and even WordPress, which has a billion templates. Typically, most platforms allow you to view previews of their site templates, but you can't fully edit them until you commit to one and pay for it up front. Many times you realize some of those templates are a huge pain in the butt to work with, but you don't have a choice since you already purchased it. Something cool with Wix is that you can edit any template you like for free. During my testing phase, I edited 2 site templates and I saw which one I liked better. And after a few simple edits, I was able to visualize which one was the winner. Once I knew which design I was going for, I started editing and it took me about 6 to 8 hours to fully complete it. This included editing the home section, About Us, Services, multiple galleries, and a very nice looking Contact Us form. Editing is super easy and not once do you need to enter any type of coding. It felt more like working with something like Canva or Microsoft Word, where you just adjust text easily, except that the formatting always works to perfection. You're able to add sections, elements, pictures, text to any section. Once you finish one section of the page, you can move on to the next one and continue in a similar fashion. When I reached the gallery section, I was able to add multiple galleries under the gallery tab. I also created 4 buttons with hyperlinks to each gallery. And finally, adjusting the Contact Us form was easy as modifying the properties and entering what email address I wanted all form submissions to go to. Overall, editing is the longest part of the process, but it was actually fun to build and it felt satisfying to finish everything in one day. One cool thing I forgot to mention was the mobile version of the editor, so you can edit the version that people will see on their phones. It's a very nice feature since once you finish working on the site for web browsers, you then switch to the mobile one and you do some quick modifications. Doesn't take long and you're able to get a perfect view not only for a web browser on a computer but also on the mobile phone. You can purchase a domain directly with Wix, which is included in the same price to host your website. For this occasion, I had to connect a domain that was already purchased with Namecheap.com. Once I connected the domain to Wix by adding some DNS records in Namecheap, in a few hours I was able to access the website. You don't have to worry about implementing the SSL certificate, and Wix automatically does this for you.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a mood body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused.
I am very happy with the final product. I like how the website turned out. It met all the requirements that the landscaping company needed, and best of all, it helps them get more clients with this pro-looking website. They have different tiers of pricing. I chose the most basic level, which includes 2 gigs of storage, an SSL certificate, 30 minutes of video hours, and the domain of your choosing. I paid $192 for 12 months or $16 a month. This is similar pricing to another client of mine which pays the exact price for similar services but with Bluehost. Overall, I was pretty impressed with the experience I received building a website using Wix. It's pretty amazing that I was able to complete everything in just one day. I had never been able to do that before until now with Wix. I hope you found value in this video and give it a like so it can spread to other people. Also subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Until next time, Ultra Tech out.